Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm sharing with you the baby products I use for Yasin and also our bedside nursery tour. Hope you all enjoy watching. I took a head start and made sure to wash all his clothes prior to his arrival. I have sorted the clothes according to the size and I've only taken the clothes from 0 to 3 months. The rest I have packed and left it aside. This is the detergent that I use. And this is the softener. I found this small pouch quite helpful to wash the socks and also mittens. I wash the soft toys inside a pillowcase. This will prevent it from damaging. These boxes are from IKEA and come as a set of 6. I bought 2 sets, so total of 12 boxes. I have not hung any of baby's clothes. They are all rolled and kept. It's the same for the swaddles, blankets and cot sheets as well. To organize the clothes, I've used these organizers. Something I've learned this time around is less is more, as babies grow fast, so I haven't bought too many this time around compared to Zane. This only does not save space but also cuts down on all the clutter. On one side I've organized the onesies, then the sets, and on the other side are the rompers, bodysuits. And these are his sleeping bags. Most of the baby products are bought from Kmart and Target. They're quite affordable and the quality is excellent. I got this cute little Muslim baby book from Modesty. This 6-drawer unit, along with the changing table and the cot, was bought from an online store called Moka. So we were able to choose the products that we wanted. The package comes with a cot, the cot mattress, a change table, changing mat, a play mat, a high chair, and also an armchair along with the 6-drawer unit. For baby bottles, I used Dr. Brown's anti-colic bottles. I used the same for Zane and wanted to continue with it. So on one side I have a side table where I leave my water bottle. and also the remote for the cot mobile along with the tissue box. Then comes the armchair that we got from Moka. These are some soft toys that Yasin got, but it's never with Yasin, it's always with Zain. This is the Moon and Stars cot mobile that we got from Desi Doll. It comes with a remote control and has around 35 minutes of Quran recitation. It projects starry lights in red, green and blue, and there are also soft rotating moon and stars just to entertain the baby. I would say this is quite a worthy purchase. What I like about the changing table is also there's enough space for storage. The first drawer is for the diapers, washcloths, towels and also the disposable changing mats. So this is the disposable changing mat that I put on top of a waterproof changing mat cover. The waterproof changing mat cover can be washed easily. The second drawer has the bibs, mittens, socks and also the caps. And I also have few nappies of Zain that was not used as burp cloths, and also we have the wet wipes. The Nappy Organizer and storage is also from Kmart. Is really convenient. I fixed them in the changing table. I used Gaia as for baby's lotion and wash, and my favorite pseudo cream for nappy rash. I also have his vitamin D drops. I use this petroleum jelly after Yasin's circumcision, which I applied on his diaper. This is his grooming kit. We ordered it online. And this is his hairbrush. On the other side, we have got this suction. We use something similar for Zain as well, and it comes in quite handy. I've also got a syringe and also a thermometer, which is not shown. Then I've got easy access to the diapers on the side. I use Huggies brand. So just below the changing mat is all my vitamins along with the fenugreek capsules. Moving on to the pacifiers that I use. Initially I did buy this pacifier from Nook brand, but Yasin did not prefer it. Then we bought the pacifier from BIBS brand, which is really good, which also has an aesthetic look. Comes as a 2-pack. It has this classic round shield with a round nipple in natural rubber latex. It's very simple, but I love the design and also the different color variants. So what is important in here is that the nipple on the pacifier, it is round, that resembles the shape and the size of a mother's breast, and therefore it's quite easy to suck. I've placed all the bibs in a storage basket. This is our recent buy. It's the My Baby Sound Spa on the go. It's not only very effective when I put Yasin to sleep, but is also very affordable. There are 4 soothing sounds, that's heartbeat, white noise, ocean and lullaby. It has a clip that you can clip it anywhere. It can even be attached to strollers, diaper bags or even portable cribs. There is a 15, 30 and 45 minute auto off timer. It's portable and battery operated. The next super important thing that we have is this Wi-Fi pan and tilt indoor camera. Since our house has 2 stories, it's so important to have a camera just to check on Yasin when I'm upstairs in the kitchen or in the living room. And this was bought from Kmart as well. This is my favorite nursing pillow. Again, it's a Kmart buy. I sometimes even used to put Yasin on it to sleep if he's feeling uncomfortable, or you can even use it as a support for tummy time. Next to the armchair is my pumping basket where I have got all my pumping equipments. I use a Medela Swing Maxi. This was actually a gift from one of my dearest friends. I also bought the Medela breast milk storage bags. And for cracked nipples, I use this from Lansinoh. And I also bought this Haaka breast pump. This is my first time using it and I have all positives about it. This is the bathtub that we use for Yasin. It's collapsible, non-slip and has good support. Because it is collapsible, it's quite travel friendly as well. For Yasin, I also use the Gaia hair and body wash. When it comes to baby bags, my favorite is Sunbeano. Purchased this online. We use the same thing for Zayn, but in a different shade of blue. It's easy to clean, waterproof, and has a beautiful design. It has multiple compartments. The one we got for Yasin also has a USB charging port. It's multifunctional. You can use it as a travel backpack as well, and it is worth the money. Next is the Ingenuity Swing. It has a 180-degree rotation and there is vibrating movements. It has this option of a smartphone connectivity. So we usually play a recitation, and it also has this light up mobile dangles with 2 plush toys. It has got 3 nature sounds and it's very comfortable, and Yasin peacefully falls asleep. We have kept this swing upstairs, so it's easier for me to leave Yasin in the swing while I do my work in the kitchen or while we are in the living room. Next is the Red's Baby Skip 2 stroller. This was given as a gift from our friends. Pram liner was bought from Kmart. You can use both sides and it's machine washable. The stroller comes in a bag. It's travel friendly, cabin approved, very lightweight. It has multi-reclining seats, comfortable. It's very compact and it's easy to fold. The car seat was also gifted to us by our friends. And another important purchase is this mirror. This is the baby wrap that I use from Mobi. I love how baby is in view all the time. It supports the back really well. I love the material and I also love how comfortable it is for baby and mum. It's very soft, very durable, machine washable, and has multiple carrying positions as baby grows. And it also has one size that fits all. This is the playmat that we got along with the furnitures from Moka. And that's it for the video. Hope you all enjoyed watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll leave all the links for the products in the description box down below. Don't forget to check it out there. Till I see you all again, take care, bye bye.